What to eat tonight? AI852 Cooking Guide. This Chinese dessert, rock sugar steamed egg custard, is a delicious and simple treat with easily accessible ingredients. Ingredients needed: egg yolks, milk, rock sugar. Step 1. Prepare the egg mixture. Break the egg yolks into a large bowl and gently stir until smooth. Avoid beating too hard to prevent creating too many bubbles. Step 2. Add milk and rock sugar. Heat the milk until warm but not boiling. Then add the crushed rock sugar and stir until dissolved. Allow the milk to cool down before mixing it with the egg yolks. Step 3. Strain the mixture. Strain the egg milk mixture twice to remove impurities and bubbles, ensuring a smooth custard. Step 4. Steaming. Cover with aluminum foil and steam over medium heat for about 12 to 18 minutes until the custard sets. Done. Taste review. The rich egg yolk flavor combined with the smooth texture of fresh milk is perfect for cold weather. Enjoy the warm custard and share your experience with me. Tip: always let the heated milk cool down before mixing it with the egg yolks.